In this video, I'm going to show you how to add variants. Head to your Shopify page, click on products, choose the right product that you're looking for, and then after that, head down a little bit, and then you're going to find this option. It's called options. Alternatively, you can just do Control F in your favorite browser, search options, and that's basically it. Click on this tick right here, and then you'll have the option name, for example, size, color, material, style. I'm just going to choose color. Going to have option values, black, red, blue, yellow, for example. And that's basically it. Right here, I will even have the option to delete a value or add another value. And then all I have to do is click on done, click on save on the right top corner. And if we go ahead, check our products right here, you can find that there is basically some stuff that we will be able to view. That's basically it, guys. Goodbye.